art of self-amusement. Now, self-amusement in of itself is not necessarily an attraction technique. It's not a positive emotional spike and it's not a negative emotional spike. Self-amusement is a mindset. It's a state of being. And when you can tap into that self-amusement in your social interactions, this is how you can be perceived as more attractive. Now, you have to understand a concept called the law of state transference. Now, the law of state transference dictates that if you feel good, other people will feel good too. This is due to mirror neurons. When you spend time with people that are very optimistic, they're positive, they're having a good time, they're happy, they're laughing, they're enjoying themselves, when you are close to these people and you're interacting with them socially, you also can't help but feel good emotions. But again, because of the law of state transference and your mirror neurons, when you interact with people that are a little bit more negative, pessimistic, they're not having a good time, maybe they're agitated or angry or just feeling sad and low, you also, when interacting with these people, can't help but feel a little bit more flat. So in order to be more socially attractive and have people more drawn to you and want to be around you, you need to make sure that you're having a fucking good time, that you're radiating positivity, and you're somewhat self-amused. Self-amusement is the key to generating good emotions. So you should always be asking yourself in all social interactions, how can you make yourself laugh? How can you have a fucking good time? How can you enjoy yourself when you're meeting girls during the day, at the clubs and on your dates? What can be fun and interesting for you? If I was to wrap up self-amusement in one sentence, it would be this: what can Alex do right now to make Alex laugh? Now, for me, the easiest way to step into that self-amused state of being is just to remind myself to not take life so fucking seriously. Life is a video game. It's my personal playground. And when I find myself in social situations, it's just fun to fuck with people and not take myself, the situation, or anything too seriously. The most important thing is that you just see all social environments like your own personal playground. Go out and experiment with your social skills. Go and practice teasing, practice role plays, practice disqualifying, practice trolling, practice saying polarizing shit. Have fun with this. When you want to have different types of conversations and want to practice your level 1, 2, 3 questions, go and explore topics that you want to talk about. Talk about specific things that you're passionate about. Talk about things that bring you joy, that you think are interesting. This is a primary principle of self-amusement. It's like whatever you can do in your social interactions to make sure you're having the best fucking time possible. If you're a fucking goofball, express that goofy side of your personality. If you're at a nightclub and you have like some fucking cracker dance moves, let loose. Have fun with it. If you're someone like me that likes saying really polarizing stuff, then go out and do it. And then when you do it, if you get a negative reaction like I do sometimes, I get a lot of enjoyment from trying to calibrate from that situation. Everything is just an experiment. I will do everything and anything that I want in that environment that's gonna make me laugh and have a fucking good time. And that's what I want you guys to do. When you're going out there and practicing all these different social skills that we've taught, fuck with the dynamics, experiment. The world is your playground, my friend. Everything is a video game. It's an illusion. It doesn't exist. So fuck with the world, fuck with people, and fuck with yourself to figure out what's going to make you happy, what's going to make you laugh and have the best time possible in all social situations. Now, something you have to understand about social dynamics, there is no such thing as a perfect interaction. But if you do have the ability to push your own buttons, to self-amuse, to make yourself laugh, to have a fucking good time, then this is what's going to allow people to be more drawn to you, to want to be in your presence. Again, guys, remember the law of state transference. If you're having a good time, other people can't help but have a good time around you as well. So go out there and remember that the world is a playground. It's an experiment. Fuck with different people. Fuck with different environments. Fuck with different situations. Experiment with all the different dynamics and social skills and frameworks that we teach you in this program and enjoy yourself. Enjoy the process. Go out there, have fun, meet some hotties, and I'll see you in the next video.